Hi and welcome to Project and Things. In this episode we're going to make a wall holder for a 3 million year old monster shark tooth. So I've always been fascinated by dinosaurs and ancient history and things like that. And a while back I came across this set of giant megalodon teeth that were from a museum. And I figured out you can just buy these. They are everywhere in the world. Like up until 3 million years ago, from about 18 million years ago to 3 million years ago, these megalodon sharks were swimming in the seas. Also here in Belgium, where I live. And everything from these animals is gone because they're all made of cartilage, except for their teeth. And they would get rows and rows and rows of teeth every couple of weeks or months, and they would all fall out. So the world is littered with these old teeth that have since then fossilized. Anyway, so I purchased this one and it deserves a nice place on the wall. So let's make that.
the next day.
So it's the next day. I let the glue dry overnight on the edge banding. I'm going to remove the tape and then see what it looks like. All right, kind of okay. It's the first time I actually do edge banding, and I realize now that if your corners aren't perfect, the edge banding accentuates the fact that it's not perfect. Let's plane the edges of this so it's all flush and then get on to the next step. So the tooth itself is not 100% complete. It's missing this corner. But I actually like that because I have an idea for this corner. So here's essentially the composition. I'm going to take a regular shark tooth and put that on the spot where the corner of the other tooth would be. I can put some name tags under it, and I now found pretty much the placement of where this thing is going to fit into the plastic holder thing. And voila, that's it. You might have noticed I made a little museum tag like this. I basically found online something dark and brown that I liked and just put Megalodon and the age of the thing on there. Voila, now it looks a bit more official. For those of you that paid attention, you might have noticed that I had to remake the clippy thing in brass because my kids got a hold of the original plastic one, and it made me painfully aware that when you heat up plexiglass, it gets quite brittle. So that thing broke into 3 pieces. But with the brass one, it's going to be totally fine. I should have just done it in brass from the beginning because I think like kind of looks cool with the little golden type of hook. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like these things I do, then please consider subscribing. There should be a button to do so below. And also here and here are videos all about making stuff. So thank you, till next time, bye.